in this tutorial we are going to load a SCORM file into SCORM Cloud. We are going to run the course and we are going to check the debug file just to see if there are any errors. So first we click on add content, import the SCORM. Here we choose the file. Here's my SCORM file that I have already exported using Articulate Rise. And then we click on import course. Here's my course. There are different settings there. For example, here's where you can register your learners. Here you can create invitations for the course, but what we're gonna do in this tutorial is just to test if the course is working properly. We click on launch. And here we have the module. I can just go through the different slides. This is a very short course that I've been working on for different tutorials, so I try to keep it simple and short. Here's a video that users can do. I'm not gonna go through it all. I'm just going to, oops, sorry about that. I'm just going to continue. Here's a summary and you can exit now. Here, just close. So here you can see my status is completed, and here I have the debug logs. I can open it and I can see what happened behind the scenes while I was running the course. So basically you have to check for errors, but nothing suspicious in this log. So everything here was okay. I know at the beginning it might look like, oh, how do you know if something went wrong? But with time and checking through these log files frequently, you will get a feeling of when there are problems that you need to be aware of. But this one was good, no issues at all. You can also share this log file with your colleagues or a technician, or if you need to report a problem, you just copy this URL and send it to the person that you need to discuss the log. But in this case, there are no problems that we need to be really worried about.